Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2016 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC. It has a clean Carfax with one previous owner and comes with power folding, auto dimming, heated mirrors with signals, lightly tinted glass, and much more. 17-inch alloy wheels, all-season tires, rain detecting heated wipers, daytime running lights, fog lamps, and a strong 4-cylinder turbo all-wheel drive with only 29,659 miles. The dual exhaust, large LED brake lights, a spacious cargo area, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders and a power outlet. The front row, power heated MB Tex seating with driver memory, dual zone automatic climate control, a push button start, and a leather wrapped steering wheel with convenience controls. We can't forget about the dual sunroof, the multimedia and navigation system with a CD player and Bluetooth, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.